Welcome back to the 200 Arabic Root series, where we will learn the most common words in the Quran. In this lesson, we will learn the root ra, ba, ba. We will go through some examples from the Quran. We will learn some grammar rules, endings, who and whom, and some prepositions. Root number 4, ra, ba, ba. The root was mentioned 980 times in the Quran in 3 different words. The central meaning of this root is lordship, ownership, and upbringing. The words mentioned in the Quran from this root are Rabb. Rabb means Lord, and it was mentioned 975 times. This word also comes in the plural form Arbab, which means lords, and it was only mentioned 1 time in the Quran. The next word is Rabbaniyin. Rabbaniyin means godly scholars. The next word also have the same meaning, Ribbiyun. And the last word is Raba'ib. This word means stepdaughters. It comes from the meaning growing up and looking after. Let's now see some examples. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. The root word here is Rabb, which means Lord. Another example, أَأَرْبَابٌ مُتَفَرِّقُونَ خَيْرٌ أَمِ اللَّهُ الْوَاحِدُ الْقَهَّارُ. The root word here is Arbab, which means lords. And the whole ayah means, are separate lords better or Allah? The word that we learned was Arbab. But why there is an extra Hamza here? This is called Hamzatul Istifham. When you add Hamza before a sentence, it turns this sentence into a yes or no question. Let's see another example from the Quran. أَفَلَا يَتَدَبَّرُونَ الْقُرْآنَ. Here the Hamza turns this sentence into a question. Do they not reflect on the Quran? Back to our examples for the root ra, ba, ba. أُولَئِكَ عَلَى هُدًى مِّن رَّبِّهِمْ وَأُولَئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ. Can you find the word here? The word is رَبِّهِمْ, which means their Lord. The word that we learned was Rabb, but this word is Rabbihim. So what is the extra ha mim at the end? We will learn 2 endings today. Who, which means his or him, and hum, which means their or them. When these 2 endings come after a noun, it shows ownership. Example, Ajr means reward, hum means their, Ajruhum means their reward. Let's see another example. Rabb means Lord, Rabbuhu means his Lord, Rabbuhum means their Lord. When these 2 endings come after a verb or a preposition, they act as objects. For example, the word tahta means under and hum means them, so tahtahum means under them. You are familiar with this ayah in the Quran. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Here you can see the word ala, which means on. After it comes him, which means them. So عليهم means on them. As you saw in the previous examples, the endings can be hum or him and who or he, which are the same and there is no any difference between them. Next example, إذ قال له ربه أسلم قال أسلمت لرب العالمين. The root word here is ربه and لرب. Now you know ربه means his Lord. What about لرب? What is this li? To understand the meaning, we have to learn حروف الجر or the prepositions. Here are some common prepositions in the Quran. من, إلى, في, على, بي, ka, li. In this lesson we will focus on li. Li can mean to or has. Here we have li and after it who. Whom, if you remember, it means him or his. Since it's come after a preposition, so it means him. So together, lihu means to him. When combining li with a pronoun, it changes to la, so it sounds as lahu instead of lihu. Lahu means to him or he has. Let's now see the word lirab. Lirab is li, which means for, and rab, which means Lord. So together, lirab means for a Lord. In the ayah, the word was Rabbil Alameen, which means the Lord of the worlds. So, li Rabbil Alameen means for the Lord of the worlds. So the whole ayah means, when his Lord said to him, submit, he said, I submit to the Lord of the worlds. That's all for today. Next lesson we will learn a new rule and a new root. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with your friends and subscribe for more. Thank you. Class dismissed.